Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. So I'm going to show you the Compustar PRO G15 two-way LED system installed on a Volkswagen Tiguan 2015. So on the PRO G15, it's a two-way LED. We have the lights on the side here showing us when the vehicle is running. We have lock, unlock, optional power trunk for some vehicles, and the start button. So we're going to start the vehicle. We're going to have the green confirmation. The vehicle will get the confirmation, will start. And then we're going to have a confirmation on the remote that the vehicle is running. Every few seconds we're going to have also the light flashing here to remind us that the car is still running. So if you're drinking coffee or something, you're not sure if the car is still running, take a look at your remote and you're going to see the car is still running. The key takeover is very simple. All you have to do is unlock the doors, have a seat in the car, turn the key to the on position, and then you can drive. Remote starters for different vehicles is available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.